Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I hope everyone is doing well. So today we are going to learn the Arabic language using ASMR. ASMR is just a technique in which we use our voices to make it a relaxing kind of experience. So I feel that this is a good way for us to learn the Arabic language using ASMR. So this book is called Al-Qira'atu, ar-Rashidah. This is a very good book in learning basic Arabic. So today we are going to read a simple story, and this is the story in the first couple of pages of Al-Qira'atu ar-Rashidah. If you want the PDF of the book, I have it in the link in the description below. So if you wanna check it out, you can check it out. You can also join our Telegram group where we have more information about the Arabic language. So let's try to read the story, inshallah. So كيف أقضي يومي. كيف means how. أقضي means I spend. كيف أقضي يومي, how I spend my day. Okay, so if you see a ya at the end of the word, most of the time it means something that belongs to you. So كيف أقضي اليوم, كيف أقضي يومي, how I spend my day. So if you say kitab, kitab means a book, kitabi means my book. Okay, so أنام مبكرا في الليل وأقوم مبكرا في الصباح. أنام, I slept, أنام, or I sleep, I sleep. أنام مبكرا, I sleep early. في الليل, at night. وأقوم مبكرا في الصباح, and I wake up. أقوم, I stood up. أقوم, you can say أقوم, you can say أستيقظ. Okay, وأقوم مبكرا في الصباح, and I wake up early, or I get up early in the morning. Okay, so أستيقظ means I wake up. I wake up على اسم الله وذكره. I wake up upon or with the name of Allah and remembering Him. وذكره. أستعد للصلاة, I get ready for prayer. ثم أذهب مع والدي, then I go with my father. إلى المسجد, to the masjid. والمسجد, and the masjid. قريب من بيتي, and the masjid is near. قريب من بيتي, from my house. فأتوضأ, then I took my ablution, or I made wudu. وأصلي, and I pray. مع الجماعة, with the congregation. وأرجع, and I return. إلى بيتي, to the house. وأتلو شيئا, and I read bit, or I read something. من القرآن الكريم, from the majestic Quran. ثم, then أخرج, I leave. إلى البستان وأجري, then ثم أخرج, I leave to the garden. وأجري, and I run. ثم أرجع, then I return. إلى بيتي, to the house. فأشرب, then I drink. اللبن, the milk. وأستعد, see the word أستعد appearing again. أستعد للصلاة, I prepared for prayer, or I prepared for prayer. And this one, وأستعد للذهاب, I prepared days of summer. أيام الصيف, the days of summer. وأتغدى, and I have lunch. إذا كانت أيام الشتاء, and I have lunch when it was أيام الشتاء, or when it is أيام الشتاء, the days of winter. Okay, so he's trying to say that if it's summer, he will have breakfast. If it's winter, he will not have breakfast, but he will just have lunch. وأصل إلى المدرسة, and I reach the madrasa في الميعاد, on time. You can say وأصل إلى المدرسة في الوقت, on time as well. But a more appropriate one will be في الميعاد, on time. وأمكث, and I stay. مكث means to stay. وأمكث, this is a present tense. وأمكث في المدرسة, and I stay in the madrasa. 6 ساعات, 6 hours. 6 ساعات, this is a plural for the word ساعة. Okay, ساعة, the plural is ساعة. وأسمع دروس بنشاط ورغبة. وأسمع, and I hear, or I listen to, الدروس, to the lessons. بنشاط, actively, or with full energy, or energetically. ورغبة, with enthusiasm. So the word ar-Raghba, Raghba means to have a desire for something. In other words, he is enthusiastic about learning the lessons. Binashaltin means something who is active, or something who has high energy. So binashaltin, energetically, and wa-Raghba, with desire and enthusiasm. وأجلس بأداب وسكينة. وأجلس, and I sit. أجلس, I sit. بأدب, with etiquette. وسكينة, and with tranquility. Because he really wants to learn. حتى إذا انتهى الوقت, until when the time ends. حتى إذا انتهى, until when time, until the time ends. وضرب الجرس, and until the bell rang. خرجت, I left. This is a past tense. خرجت, I left من المدرسة, from the madrasa. ورجعت إلى البيت, so I left from the madrasa. ورجعت, and I returned, also past tense, and I returned to the house. Okay, so let's read the next page. The story is quite long but interesting. Some days, وفي بعض الأيام, بعض means some. وفي بعض الأيام, and in some days. أمكث في البيت, I stay in the house. So he doesn't go out. On some days he doesn't go out. Some days he stays at home. وفي بعض الأيام, and on some days. أذهب إلى السوق, I go to the market. إلى means to. السوق means the market. وأشتري, and I buy. حوائج البيت, the requirements. Okay, حاجة means a requirement. حوائج, requirements, plural. حوائج البيت, the requirements of home. So probably groceries and so on. وفي بعض الأيام, and on some days. أخرج مع أبي أو أخي إلى بعض الأقارب, some days I leave with my father, Abi. Again, you can see that yeah, which means Abi, my father, أو أخي, or my brother, إلى بعض الأقارب, some of the relatives. Al-Aqarib refers to the relatives. Al-Abu, or I play إخوتي, with my brothers. إخوة, أخي is the singular, إخوة is the plural. So إخوتي, my brothers, وأصدقائي, and my friends, وأتعشى مع والدي وإخوتي, and I have dinner with my father and my brothers. والدي, my father, وإخوتي, my brothers, وأحفظ دروسي, and I memorize my lessons. Dars is singular, durus is plural, lessons. See, my lessons. وأطالع للغد وأستعد. Dars. وأطالع للغد, and I go through. أطالع, I go through. In other words, he's trying to say he's going through for the next day lessons. وأطالع للغد, for tomorrow. للغد, for tomorrow. وأستعد للدرس, and I prepare for the lesson. وأكتب, and I write ما يأمر به المعلم, what is asked of me from the teacher, what the teacher asked of me. So I write what the teacher asked of me. وأكتب ما يأمر به المعلم, and I write whatever يأمر المعلم به, and I write whatever that the teacher has told me to do. That's what he's trying to say. به means with it. وأكتب ما يأمر به المعلم وأصلي, and I pray al-Isha, the Isha prayer. وأقرأ قليلا, and I read a little bit. ثم then أنام على اسم الله وذكره, then I sleep upon the name or with the name of Allah and remembering Him. وذكري, تلك عادتي, that is my routine. كل يوم, every day. لا أخالفها, I do not deviate from it. وأقوم مبكرا, and I get up early. يوم العطلة, on weekends. أيضا, also. وأصلي مع الجماعة, and I pray with the جماعة, the congregation. وأتلو القرآن, and I read the Quran. وأقضي اليوم, and I spend my day, or I spend the day, and I spend my day في مطالعة كتاب, في مطالعة كتاب, by revising or going through or reading a book. ومحادثة, and speaking. مع أبي, with my father. وأمي وإخوتي, with my father, with my mother, with my brothers. وفي زيارة قريب أو إعادة مريض, and in visiting close relatives or visiting the sick. Marid means amongst the sick. Iyada. Iyada means to visit sick people. Ziyara is a general form of visiting. So he visits زيارة قريب أو عيادة مريض. وأمكث, and I stay أحيانا, sometimes, في البيت, at the house. وأخرج, and I leave أحيانا, sometimes, إلى الخارج, and I leave sometimes to going outside. So sometimes he stays at home, sometimes he goes outside. So that's it for the story. That's it for this story. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned a lot from it, from this reading, inshallah. There'll be more videos. If you want the PDF version of this book, it will be listed and linked in the description below. So see you on the next one.